This will be for the Khan assignment, comparing data distributions. So it says Samantha, Brooklyn, and Mary went to Bonnero Music Festival where they each attended various concerts. Samantha only went to rock concerts where the sound level was normally distributed between 113 and 117. Brooklyn went to 4 concerts with Samantha and also went to 5 folk concerts where the sound level was between 95 and 97. Mary got sick, so she only attended 2 shows, 1 rock and 1 folk. Okay? Choose all answers that apply. Among the 3 girls, Samantha attended the concerts with the greatest mean sound level. Remember, mean is the same as average. Okay? And if we look at what it said for Samantha, the one that she went to was between 113 and 117. Okay? The other girl, Brooklyn, she went to 4 of the same ones with Samantha, but the other ones that she went to were less decibels. So the mean for Brooklyn is going to be less. And Mary did 1 of each. So the mean for her is going to be less as well. So yes, Samantha has the greatest mean for the level of decibels. Among the 3 girls, Samantha attended the concerts with the greatest median sound level. Well, that makes sense as well. Okay? If something is normally distributed, it's basically like a bell curve, okay? And the median and the mean are about the same, right in the middle, all right? So the median for Brooklyn is definitely going to be less, and the median for Mary is going to be less as well, because she attended the folk concert where the decibels were less. So the median is greatest for Samantha. That's true as well. Let's see. If Mary had attended an additional rock concert, the median sound level she attended would be greater than it is now. Well, let's see. Mary only attended 2 shows, 1 rock and 1 folk. So the median for her, it would be in between the rock concert and the folk concert, right? It would be in between those 2. But if you look at answer C, if she attended an additional rock concert, remember the rock concerts are louder. Okay, let's say she attended an additional rock concert. Then this would be the median, because it would be the middle value of those 3. So yes, the median would increase if she attended another rock concert. So C is true. And answer D, among the 3 girls, Samantha attended the concerts with the greatest standard deviation of sound levels. Standard deviation is basically how spread out the data is. So that's definitely not true. Okay? Because the one with the most spread out data was both Brooklyn and Mary. They attended the quieter concerts and the noisier rock concerts. So the most standard deviation would be Brooklyn or Mary. So definitely not Samantha. She only attended the rock concerts. At Oakton, Midlothian, and Jefferson High Schools, the long jumpers employ different strategies for competition. At Oakton High School, the jumpers are conservative. They are always very careful not to fault, which result in a jump of 0. But as a result, they all jump similar short distances. At Midlothian, the jumpers are very aggressive. They jump as far as they can, but they risk faulting. About half the jumpers get a score of 0 and half jump long distances. A long distance is about twice as far as a short. At Jefferson, the jumpers strike a balance. They are fairly aggressive, but also careful. As a result, most jump medium distances, while 1 or 2 of them fault and jump 0. Okay, so at Oakton, the median jump will be likely greater than, less than, or equal to. Let's see. At Oakton, we're looking at the median. All right. The jumpers are very conservative, and they all jump similar short distances. So if they all jump similar short distances, like so, the median and the mean are going to be about the same. So I'm going to select equal. Suppose 7 out of 15 jumpers faulted at Midlothian. At Midlothian, the median jump will likely be greater than, less than, or equal to the mean. All right, let's see. 7 out of 15 jumpers faulted. Okay, at Midlothian, the jumpers are very aggressive. Half the jumpers get 0, and half jump long distances. So let's see. If 7 out of 15 jumpers got 0, 7 out of 15, right? The middle number for 15 is the 8th one, because 8 is 7 units away from 15, and it's also 7 units away from 1. So the median would be the 8th one, okay? So if 7 out of 15 faulted, that means 7 of them got 0, okay? So you're looking at 7 zeros, and then a good jump, which would be the median, and then 7 more jumps that are long distances. All right. So the median is one of those long distances. So the median's going to be more than the mean. All right. So that's greater than. The median is going to be greater than the mean. Remember, the arrow always points to the less than side. So the median is greater than the mean. Okay. And at Jefferson, let's compare the median and mean. The jumpers are fairly aggressive. Most jump medium distances, while 1 or 2 of them fault and jump 0. Okay? So those 1 or 2 that jump 0, they pull the mean in that direction. Okay? Remember the outliers. So if there's 1 or 2 that jump 0, those are going to be outliers, because most of them jump median distances. The outliers will pull the mean in that direction, okay? So the mean is going to be less than the median, because 1 or 2 of them jump 0. It pulls it toward 0. So the mean is less than the median. The median is greater than the mean.